back. On the way back, the way your face at. Rockin' money, clean like AJ. You don't.
Yeah.
Alright. No, get off the road.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I know police gonna be over here like crazy.
At it.
Police right there.
Ooh. He gone, he good. He out here.
Sheesh. Oh. Sheesh, guys. Oh my goodness. Could have well honed it.
Yeah, gotta get higher here. You know, y'all went some geek shit with my girl Lily.
I'm not gently rushing.
You said what?
Not gently rushing.
Why you say that?
Cause
Man, we some geek jump, man. We ain't going that fast. We seen police though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna see about the background. How my hand shaking?
Huh? Yeah, gently rushing.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't do this. Anytime he do this, I be sleep, y'all.
Right wheel wobbling a little bit.
Cool.
And I'm out there doing the front.
For real?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to be a little careful.
But he got the wrong tires on anyway. That was probably why.
Oh. Shit. So guys, we have these are the chart. Oh no.
Put the camera on you when you talk. Don't be scared.
Do y'all see these beauties? And I'm gonna be next.
phone that right.
For real?
Yeah.
Baby, I'm just recording.
When you record yourself, why don't put the phone straight up like that?
Oh, so like this. Like that?
What?
I had the shit zoomed in.
Hey, I know that bitch was zooming in your face. She got some real editing.
Oh my god, bro.
You heard me?
Huh?
Keep it editing.
And they just driving slow.
You trying to boot them up the road. You see your top?
Oh yeah. Oh. Damn. I hope he feel it.
You probably do. We go to the shop right now.
Oh, that where we going?
Yeah. I guess we meet up with everybody else.
Okay.
Man, they man right here. I probably better take it too long.
You hit it, you hit yell.
Huh?
Tell him, get your ass
I
off
gotta do that.
the road. Y'all hit these bad cars. Get your ass off the road, bro. You see these fast shits behind you, bro? Or I might do brats. I don't know. I might do either Barbie or brats. Might do brats. Because I'm a brat. What you playing? I'm not no brat.
Everybody do Barbie, bro. I'm tired of seeing this shit.
So do brats.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he for sure need to pull over for real. Cause he'll tired.
Hey, Mark. Nah, they ain't no Mark. Touch the camera now. Face towards you. Touch the camera now. Don't be scared.
I'm not. Make sure this shit ain't zoomed in. So yeah, right now we're at the red light up and it's green, bitch. Okay. And now it's time for the show. God damn! Ah! Oh shit! Watch out for this Jeep, this stupid bitch. Oh my god! What in the fuck, man? Oh my god! Shit! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Kinda smells like dookie a little bit.
That gas. That real gas.
Yeah, that gas smell like dookie, guys. And yeah, it's people on the road trying to get in people's way. Yeah. And there we go. Woo, shit. Oh my god. Hallelujah.
Three Musketeers.
Hey, I keep damn moving.
Hey, you understand what's going on? Look, they got the road. Come on, Challenger. Play with us, nigga. Come on. The police on the other side. Fuck that nigga. Fuck police.
So yeah, y'all, it's a Challenger in front of us. There it goes. gotta block out the tags. Yeah. Everybody get their ass up. There's another charger. Damn. Come on, pop. 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 Guys, this is very dangerous, but also very fun. Ooh. This is very dangerous, but very fun. There's another charger. There's another one. All black. Oh, that shit cute. Kind of like his at the front, but come on, charger, come play. Oh, baby. I think that charger turned off. Dang it.
Wherever your eye goes, the camera should go. Like, keep your eyes in the camera. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay. I ain't gonna let my arm get tired. Huh? No, because you're driving. hear Mario. Somebody I got something there for y'all, them. Huh? No.
My pipes.
Oh, yeah.
Bio touch it.
Oh, he ain't lying. What? I'm leaving now.
Oh, he said, wait. Show Mario down. Show Mario. Hey, slow down. Ooh. Ah. Hard with it, boy. You said what?
I didn't get it.
It just slow down.
This is really fun. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Don't let that crap fall behind that bed because she's not going to get it.
Alright, y'all, boy.